Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel guys. So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this yogurt fruit salad guys. Oh guys, we are taking our nutrition to the next level, so don't miss out on any part, okay? Welcome back guys. So the first ingredient we're going to be using, or the first fruit we're going to be making use of, is apple fruit, okay? So as you can see, the way I'm dicing the apple, and please do not put in the seeds, okay? Do not put the seeds in your mixture. Always taking apple fruit is a simple and affordable way to ensure that you have a beautiful and a glowing, radiant skin. Do you also know that apple actually helps to to reduce puffy eyes? Apples are naturally hydrating, so they have the ability to bring radiance and glow to your skin. Apples are also very rich in fibers and antioxidants, okay? So guys, this mixture is a very good mixture. It is very simple and affordable to try out. You do not necessarily have to break up the bank for you to actually eat healthy and live healthy, okay? So please do well to leave this video a thumbs up. That means like this video, share. If you haven't subscribed now, subscribe now, and also put down the country you are actually watching from, okay? Next fruit we're going to be adding to our mixture is pawpaw. As you can see, pawpaw, which is also known as papaya. Pawpaw is great for acne control. It helps to control acne. Pawpaw also helps to fight wrinkles. Pawpaw also helps in moisturizing the skin, fighting any kind of skin diseases that you might be having. Pawpaw, which is papaya, which actually helps to reduce the amount of hyperpigmentation you're having on your skin, and also clear dark spots. So as you can see, these fruits you're taking, you're not just eating them for eating sake. These fruits right here are very nutritious for our skin and our body. And also, pawpaws are so rich in vitamins and minerals. The next fruit we're going to be adding is watermelon. Watermelon is one fruit that you should not even miss out on, because when it comes to hydration for your skin, oh my god, watermelon is going to give it to you. It will help to give you that soft, smooth, and glowing skin. If you're battling with wrinkles, watermelon is going to help you. Taking watermelon is going to help fight wrinkles for you on your skin. Watermelon also helps to exfoliate the skin, and also for your body. Watermelon is so nutritious for the body because it helps in aiding digestion, and it also helps to improve the heart health. So these fruits, they are just a blessing to mankind, okay? The next fruit I'm going to be adding is pineapple. Pineapple too is also one good fruit that also helps in digestion. It also helps to reduce every symptom of arthritis. It's so good for the eye. If you're battling with any form of eye problem, pineapple too is a good one. It also helps in hydration for the skin, and also helps to even out the skin tone. The next fruit is banana. Banana too is so rich in antioxidants. It helps to improve blood sugar level. So that is all the fruit we're going to be adding for this mixture. Then I'm now going to be adding my yogurt in a separate bowl. I'm going to be taking the amount of yogurt I'm going to be using. You can use sweetened or unsweetened yogurt, okay, for this mixture. So guys, I'm going to be adding milk to this mixture. Guys, adding milk to this yogurt is so tasty. Yogurt itself is tasty with the yogurt. Man, this combination is so sweet. This combination just tastes just like ice cream. Like I was feeling like I've actually made ice cream, okay? So guys, this is the last procedure for our mixture, okay? Not only is this mixture also tasty, it is also very nutritious and very good for our health and our skin. After doing this, you want to mix it thoroughly so that the milk has mixed properly with the yogurt. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to pour all your mixture into your bowl. Look at what we have here, guys. So, and lastly, I would love to add my nuts in it to have something crunchy. You can decide to add any nuts of your choice, but I'm going to be adding this particular nuts, which is granuts, to our mixture. Then, after doing that, you pour in your yogurt mix with milk, okay? After mixing your yogurt mix with your fruits, the next thing you're going to do is refrigerate it for about 30 minutes or to 1 hour. As you can see, this is our final look right here. Our yogurt fruit salad is ready. It's cold, chilled, yummy, crunchy. Trust me, guys, you would want to try this mixture. So, guys, if you've watched me up to this point, guys, please do leave a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment on the country you're actually watching this video from, okay? And if you've tried making this recipe before, please come down to the comment section and leave a comment for us. Tell us the fruits you actually used to make yours, okay? So, guys, that'll be all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Like I said earlier, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my previous video, guys. This yogurt is so yummy. This fruit is so yummy, guys. Ah, I can't wait to finish them all. Alright, guys, thank you guys once again. And until then, I'm going to see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye for now.